Welcome back to the Roadside Rescue YouTube channel. I'm Ernest, and on today's episode, we're going to talk about something. About a month ago, fellow YouTuber Whistling Diesel said this.
We're not in America, we're in the United Kingdom. We traveled for this bad boy because we couldn't get it legally, because the United States of America has a grudge against other countries from like World War II or something, where you can't import other foreign vehicles because they want to improve the economy and keep all the work inside the United States, and they didn't want people to have vehicles from other countries because they held something against them.
Now this sounded familiar, but not exactly right. A few years ago in a geology class, I heard a story about something called the chicken tax. Let me tell you about it, and let me tell you about why these chickens and their tax are keeping Whistling Diesel from buying his HILUX. So in 1964, the president was Lyndon B. Johnson. He imposed something called a tariff. Not exactly a tax, but this was a pickup truck tariff and other products tariff. 1961 through 1964 was known as the Chicken War. Post-World War II, the U.S. began to implement its production processes in other areas, including chicken farming. As chicken farming began to grow and production increased, the U.S. realized that chicken was a bit of a luxury food in other countries and overseas. So as we grew more and more chickens, we started to sell them in these other countries where the meat was more expensive to make a bit of a profit. After a while, some of these countries decided that they needed to make a profit for themselves as well, so they decided to tax U.S. chicken exports. These countries were France and West Germany, and being post-World War II, President Lyndon B. Johnson had some beef with Germany and decided to impose a tariff of his own on potato starch, dextrin, brandy, and pickup trucks. Why pickup trucks, Lyndon B. Johnson? And why have the other things been released from this tariff, but pickup trucks remain taxed at 25%? Eventually, potato starch, dextrin, and brandy were eliminated from the tariff, but pickup trucks remained. Now, what exactly is this tariff? Plain and simple, it's 25% on pickup trucks sold from other countries, imported pickup trucks. But that's why now all the pickup trucks are a lot bigger, because all of the companies that were allowed to continue making pickup trucks were all of the countries that remained inside of the U.S. The influence from the European and Asian market, which generally tends to make smaller cars, especially pickup trucks, went away in the pickup truck area, and so pickup trucks got a lot bigger. While the other tariffs have gone away, the pickup truck chicken tax has remained, and that has kept all these other manufacturers from importing their vehicles because they can't compete. The 25% increase on that import is so high that they can't afford to make vehicles overseas and then ship them to the US. A few companies have found ways around this. Ford Transit trucks, for example, are manufactured overseas with the seats in them, so they're passenger vehicles, and when they're brought over here, they're switched around and seats can be taken out, which wouldn't normally be allowed into the country, but because they came with kits, they were. Mercedes also used to make kit cars, which were mostly assembled overseas in kit pieces and then brought back to the US, where workers reassembled these kits of just a few big pieces back together into one pickup truck. That's the story of the chicken tax and why chicken exports and truck imports have affected Whistling Diesel and why he can't find a HILUX in the US. It's not that they're not making HILUXes anymore, it's that they're not importing HILUXes into the US because they taxed the chickens. Thanks for watching the Roadside Rescue YouTube channel. If you like this episode, subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you on the next episode. That's a job well done.